Homemade hummus is super easy to make and it's way better than anything you can buy at a store. It's fresh, creamy and packed with rich flavors. With just a few simple ingredients and techniques, you will make the best homemade hummus. So let me show you how to make it. To begin, we will prepare the chickpeas. Just add 1 cup of dried chickpeas to a large bowl, then cover them with plenty of water and soak them overnight or at least 8 hours. The chickpeas will expand and the water may become slightly yellow. So rinse the chickpeas thoroughly and drain them. Next, add the chickpeas to a pot, cover them with water and add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda to help soften them. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat and cook for 30 minutes or until the chickpeas are very soft. Slightly overcooking the chickpeas can create a creamier hummus. You will notice a foam forming on the surface while boiling. This is protein from the beans and can be removed to prevent boiling over and mess, but it doesn't affect the taste or nutritional value. If you are using canned chickpeas, drain 2 cans and rinse them well, then boil them for 20 minutes in water with a little baking soda. Now this step is optional. For smoother hummus, peel the chickpeas. Place them in a bowl of cold water and gently rub them. The skins will rise to the surface, making them easy to remove with a small strainer. Drain the chickpeas and you should have about 1.5 cups of cooked chickpeas. Add them to a food processor, then add a half cup of tahini for that rich and nutty flavor. Next, peel and add 2 cloves of garlic, or more if you like your hummus to have a strong garlic flavor. Now squeeze in the juice from 1 fresh lemon, followed by a drizzle of 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Season it all with 2 tablespoons of cumin and 1 teaspoon of salt. And to achieve a smooth texture, add in 2 tablespoons of ice water or 2 ice cubes. The cold temperature helps prevent separation and creates a light and fluffy hummus. Now blend the mixture on high for a couple minutes, scraping down the sides as needed. And always taste your hummus and adjust with additional salt, cumin or lemon juice if desired. Transfer the hummus into a serving bowl and create a nice swirl on top, then drizzle olive oil and garnish with your favorite toppings. I served this hummus with my homemade falafel, which I will share in another video. This hummus is so fluffy and flavorful with perfect amount of lemon tang. Leftover hummus can be stored in the fridge, covered for up to a week. Enjoy it as a healthy snack or as a side dish to your favorite meals. Give this hummus recipe a try, you won't regret it. It's a simple and flavorful, you will be making it all the time. Share this recipe with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.